Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Facebook app and signing in. Make sure the app is updated to avoid hidden menu changes. Next, grant contacts permission in your phone settings so Facebook can access mobile contacts. Once done, tap the three-line menu to access shortcuts quickly. You do this now because without permission, the app cannot compare your phone contacts to Facebook profiles. Make sure you pick the correct account if you have multiple logins, since Contacts Sync is account-specific and irreversible until you turn it off. Now you enable Contact Sync from Settings. Open Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and find the Contacts or Media and Contacts section. Toggle Upload or Sync Contacts on. Facebook will upload and match numbers and emails to profiles. This can take a few minutes depending on size. Once synced, return to the main screen and use the search bar to enter a name or number. You'll see matched profiles labeled as contacts. If you need to refine results, try full names, nicknames, or the phone number including country code. Finish by reviewing matched profiles and tapping any result to view details or send a friend request or message. If you prefer privacy, go back into Settings and disable Upload Contacts to stop future syncing. You can also delete uploaded contacts from account settings. If you don't see someone, make sure their phone number is saved correctly with country code, then force a resync by toggling upload contacts off and on. Finally, restart the app so changes apply and check again. This resolves most sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.